Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. Well, the wife's been working all day, and I've been laying around the house all day. So I kind of feel bad when I make sure she has a hot meal when she gets home. But I've been laying around so much, I've gotten lazy. So I found a super easy, super quick, and super delicious dinner that can be made in no time at all. And look, there's barely any ingredients. So what am I making? I'm making Mississippi chicken. You know, you see Mississippi roast all over the internet. Every Instapot and Ninja Foodi website you can go to has that. So we're making the same thing, except we're using chicken. And for a side dish, I still have some of those mashed potatoes left over from when I made the 50s prime time mom's old-fashioned pot roast. So we're gonna use that with it. Let's go ahead and get a little housekeeping out of the way. If this is your first time here, or you've been enjoying my videos and haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe to my videos. Ding the bell, that way you know when new videos come out. Leave a comment and like the video. Now let's get cooking. Here's the things you're gonna need to make your Mississippi chicken. Chicken, given half a stick of butter, pepperoncini peppers, chicken broth, a packet of Au Jus, and a packet of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix. And when we make all that, we're gonna dump it right on top of them mashed potatoes. It's gonna be good. Go ahead and cut your 4 tablespoons of butter into 4 tablespoons. Put that over here for a side for a minute. Go ahead and take your chicken, dump it right into the pot. Next, get your pepperoncinis. Let's take a couple of these out on the top here. Let's give them a cut. Get rid of the stem. If you have pepperoncini rings, that works better. Then you don't have to do this cutting. But I don't, so I have to cut it. That'll work. Now get you a clean bowl and get you half a cup of the juice. Put it in the bowl. Now you want a half a cup of chicken broth. Put it in the bowl. Tear open your ranch mix. Put it in the bowl. And get your au jus mix. And can you guess what we're doing with it? We're putting it in the bowl. Now mix this all up together. All right. Now that it's all mixed up, dump it over that chicken. Take those butter pats, put it on the chicken. Grab those pepperoncinis, sprinkle it all about. That's it. It was just that easy. My wife's gonna think I was working hard in the kitchen making sure she had this delicious meal. Well, it is a delicious meal, but I ain't working that hard. Take your pressure lid, put it on seal, and now pressure cook for 8 minutes. That's it, 8 minutes. All right, the timers went off. Let's go ahead and do a quick release. Go get those mashed potatoes, warm them up, put them in the center of your plate because the red pin's dropped and it's time to eat. Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow, there's some seriously good smells coming out of here. So find that piece of chicken that you want. I'm gonna go with this guy right here. Throw it on top. Now you can shred it up if you want or cut it up if you want. I'm good just like this. Now get you some of that au jus. Oh yeah. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Well, let's give it a try. Don't forget to put some of those pepperoncinis on there too, because that makes the flavor pop in your mouth even more. All right, it's time to give it a try. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. I'm just gonna do a little chicken with a little of the au jus first. Super tender. Oh wow. Where do I begin to describe that? It's a little sweet from the ranch, a little bit of heat from the pepperoncini. Has that beef broth taste from the au jus. I mean, that is serious right there. Oh my goodness. Try it with the pepperoncini and a little of that mashed potato. If you don't know how to make mashed potatoes, watch my last video. It's the Disney's 50s primetime Mom's Old Fashioned Pot Roast. In that video, I show you how to make homemade mashed potatoes. All right, I'm going back. Wow. How does something that good take so little time to make? I mean, come on. That took no time at all. It's fantastic. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat.